Now, crucial ninth rounds of talks between the farmers and the government is currently underway at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi. So far, both farmers and the government are adamant on their demands. According to sources, farmers are pressing for repeal of the farm laws and registered their protest against the police crackdown and cases against farmers in Karnal. If sources are to be believed, government may not press for more talks if farmers are adamant on their demands, and that the government may ask unions to deal with the Supreme Court panel. Government is not keen to continue holding dialogue parallel to the Supreme Court formed committee. In fact, the latest talks comes days after the Supreme Court put on hold the implementation of the new farm laws. So far, farmers have met the centre 8 times. Only a little headway has been made so far. Meanwhile, farmer leader Rakesh Tiket has told India Today that they will not take out the tractor rally on Republic Day if the Supreme Court says no. Remember, on Jan 18th, the top court will hear the plea against the tractor rally.
पिछली बैठक और इस बैठक के बीच में उच्चतम न्यायालय का फैसला आया। भारत सरकार उच्चतम न्यायालय के फैसले का स्वागत करती है और उच्चतम न्यायालय ने जो समिति बनाई है वो समिति जब सरकार को बुलाएगी तो निश्चित रूप से हम अपना पक्ष उस समिति के सामने भी रखेंगे। क्योंकि सरकार और किसानों के बीच में वार्ता चल रही है और इसलिए आज वार्ता की तारीख तय थी, तो किसानों के साथ वार्ता हमारी जारी है और हम लोग लगातार इस बात की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि किसानों से चर्चा के माध्यम से कोई रास्ता निकल आए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कमेटी बनी पर आप फिर भी सरकार के सामने आ रहे हैं, उस कमेटी के सामने क्यों नहीं जा रहे हैं?
ना, सरकार के सामने जाएंगे, वो तो इन्होंने ही बनाई ना, कानून
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बनाई है।
नहीं, कानून तो इन्होंने बनाए, तो इन्हीं से बात करेंगे।
तो आपको लगता है कि उस कमेटी के सामने कोई पावर्स नहीं है, कुछ है नहीं, जाना बेफायदा है?
नहीं, हम नहीं जा रहे। पावर तो है, बड़ी पावर होती है, लेकिन हम नहीं जा रहे।
क्यों? वजह क्या है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपॉइंट किया।
वो तो जो सारे के सारे लोग हैं वे पहले ही बिल का समर्थन कर रहे हैं। लाल कपड़े पहन का समर्थन करने वाले तो हमारे खिलाफ जाएंगे। तो हम तो इंतजार करेंगे, इसके आंदोलन का रिजल्ट का इंतजार करेंगे। हम बगैर इलाज के जाएंगे नहीं यहाँ से।
26 जनवरी को क्या होगा?
26 जनवरी को तो आएंगे।
दिल्ली अगर आपको पुलिस ने आने नहीं दिया तो?
पुलिस से तो हम रुकते नहीं। कोर्ट ने कुछ कह दिया बात मान लेंगे, पुलिस तो हमारे साथ में है।
अच्छा, कोर्ट ने अगर कह दिया कि आप परेड नहीं ला सकते दिल्ली में, तो मान जाएंगे?
तो मान लेंगे, उनकी बात मान लेंगे।
7 months we say we will not go before any committee because it's between government and farmers. Indirect things are there. Why will 4 member Pradhan Mantri cannot take a decision? What 4 members of junior people will take a decision? They cannot do anything, and they are all agent of the corporate houses. Now it is proved. We said we want. The government has committed the mistake. It is them to correct it, and we want. This is our only demand that. Only repeal, there is no other way.
ਜਿਹੜੀ आज की मीटिंग है उससे हमको कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, बेउम्मीदी है, बेउम्मीदी है। वही जो 8 मीटिंगों का रिजल्ट निकला है, नतीजा निकला है, वही नतीजा इसका निकलेगा। क्योंकि सरकार की नीति और नीति जो है वो साफ नहीं है। बिल्कुल तीनों खेती कानून रद्द करने के नहीं है और MSP के गारंटी वाला कानून जो 23 फसलों का है वो नहीं बनाने का है।
देखो, जाते तो हमेशा उम्मीद से ही है, आज भी उम्मीद रखेंगे। तो सरकार हमको क्या देती है देखेंगे। हम तो हर मीटिंग में, किसी मीटिंग में ऐसा गए नहीं है कि हमको उम्मीद नहीं है। तो केस तो हमारा बड़ा स्पष्ट है, आपको पता ही है सबसे पहले कि हम रिपील से नीचे तो कोई मानने वाले हैं नहीं।
कोई खास नहीं होगा आज। हम तो इसलिए जा रहे हैं कि सरकार ये ना बताए कि किसान बातचीत करने नहीं आए हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कमेटी उसको हमने रद्द कर दिया है। जो स्टे लगाया है उसको हम नहीं मानते, हम रिपील करने की मांग करते हैं।
Let's quickly cut across to Polumi joining us for more details on that. Polumi, we're looking at a stern stance from the government side as well as the farmers side. Farmers say that they don't want to hold further talks because, or rather, unless the government decides to quash those laws, they will not talk further. And so is the government stance. In fact, we understand, sources tell us that the government is not interested to hold parallel talks while the Supreme Court has already appointed a committee to mediate. That's the purpose of that committee. The committee must mediate and not the government anymore. And if the farmers are stern on a complete rollback, then the government will also want to avoid another round of talk. So what's the information that we get from inside? Give us some details, please.
Basically, what the government is saying inside, as far as this meeting is concerned, which has been going on for close to 3 hours now, because it started a little after 12 this afternoon, the government has basically said we're ready to offer solutions in terms of amendments that can be made to the 3 central farm laws. But the farmers, of course, are unwilling to accept that. They want a complete rollback of the 3 central farm laws and nothing short of that in order to call off their agitation. So the stalemate over there continues. The government is saying that, there is a committee which the Supreme Court has formed. They've imposed a stay on the implementation of these farm laws. What more can we possibly offer you? You tell the people outside that we're adamant about our position, but here we are sitting in front of you offering you solutions in terms of constantly moving forward midway, but you seem to be stuck and you have dug your heels in that you accept nothing short of a repealing of the central farm laws. That means that you are adamant and you don't seem to be moving forward in terms of trying to find a resolution to this ongoing impasse. So it has been continuing for a while now, because they've concluded, almost come to the conclusion that as far as the 3 central farm laws are concerned, the government is not in a position or unwilling to roll back those 3 central farm laws, and the farmers won't accept anything less than that. They want to discuss the issue of minimum support price, the legal guarantee for MSP, which the farmers have been seeking as well. That is what the discussion wants. They want the discussion to focus on, and that was what was discussed before they went into a lunch break. And after the lunch break, we're waiting for further details as to understand, if at all, on the MSP issue specifically, if they've moved forward or not. As far as giving another date for this meeting is concerned, even the government seems to believe that, we can give a date, but every time we come to the table, there is no resolution. So let us see what the committee comes up with, whoever, of course, goes before the committee, whoever the committee summons, because it has to function as per the Supreme Court's order. So let's see what the committee comes up with.
Right. Paulomi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. In fact, the 9 rounds of talks so far with the government and the farmers really hasn't come too fruitful. Many of the amends proposed by the government has been, of course, refused by the farmers. They say we don't want amends. 16 amends the government was willing to make. The farmers say it makes no sense because the law itself does not favor them, and they want a complete quashing of it. Now, the Supreme Court appointed a committee, a panel of 4 experts, in which Bhupinder Mann was one of them. He's now recused himself. He's quit from the panel, and he says he does so because he feels that these laws are not in favor of Punjab farmers and that he would not take any position to compromise with the interest of the farmers of the nation here. India Today's Manjeet Sehgal spoke to him. Here's what he said.
Mr. Mann, we would like to know what were the reasons behind and what compelled you to leave this panel?
इस वक्त जो सेंटिमेंट्स हैं और जिस तरह लोगों में ये किसान आंदोलन की बात चल रही है, इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने ये समझा कि इसको छोड़ देना ठीक है।
Were you under pressure to leave the panel?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। ये मेरा अपना डिसीजन है, मैंने किया है। बिल्कुल कोई किसी किस्म का जीरो प्रेशर।
So don't you think your decision will result into a sort of communication gap? Because when farmers are not raising their voice, when farmers are not telling the panel what were the shortcomings in these laws, so it will not be conveyed to the panel?
नहीं, वो क्योंकि लीडरशिप जो है किसानों की वो काफी समझदार है। उन्होंने बहुत देर से संघर्ष किए हैं। वो समझते हैं कि कब कैसे और क्या करना है। मुझे लगता है वो सारा कुछ ठीक करेंगे।
So being a senior farmer leader, so what do you think? What is the way out for the differences between the central government and the farmer unions?
इकोनॉमी जो है फार्मर्स की वो अंडर डिस्ट्रेस है। सिर्फ पंजाब की नहीं, सारे देश की अंडर डिस्ट्रेस है। तो इस डिस्ट्रेस को जितनी जल्दी समझ लिया जाए उतना ही अच्छा है। ये बहुत देर है, बहुत शुरू से डिस्ट्रेस जो चल रही है वो समझ लेना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और फार्मर्स लीडर्स वो अच्छी तरह समझ लेंगे।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.